Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by checking the equation type and immediately isolate y so you can graph efficiently. Convert x plus by equals c into y equals mx plus b. This reveals slope m and intercept b, which you need next. Once done, simplify any coefficients so m and b are in lowest terms because simpler numbers reduce plotting mistakes. Make sure to handle negatives carefully. Moving terms across the equals sign flips their signs. This setup creates a clear plan. Intercept first. You now place the y-intercept on the coordinate plane as your anchor. That establishes where the line crosses the y-axis. Next, apply the slope m equals rise/run. Move up or down by the rise, then right or left by the run, so you create a second precise point. Once you have 2 points, draw the line through them. If the run is fractional, adjust your scale or convert to decimals so points align on grid intersections. This avoids rounding errors and keeps the line accurate. You finish by sketching a straight line through your points and extending it with arrows to indicate continuity. Once done, verify. Pick any plotted point and substitute its coordinates into the original equation to confirm it satisfies the equality. This check catches plotting or algebra errors. If things go wrong, re-examine sign changes when isolating y, ensure slope was reduced correctly, and confirm you moved rise/run in the proper directions. Correct one mistake at a time to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.